Hey everyone, right now I'm under ALFA-PERGOLA, made out of wood and metal for outdoor use. First of all, I would like to say that this isn't just a normal pergola. This pergola is made of wood and metal. So basically, it's a mix of two different manufacture processes. Most of the manufacturers do the wooden processes or the metal processes, but we are doing this for 20 years and we are combining perfect with the wooden part and the metal part. So they're balanced, let's call it like that. Except the fact that it's made of wood and metal, it's modular. So basically you can extend the length and the width. You can shrink it if you need. Also, you can add the seats right under the pergola. Thanks to this pergola's design, the metal tubes that you see can be used as hangers. These are the metal plates that we manufactured ourselves. And the best part, you can hang it for any use. You can look that there's a lighting which was installed here and which can be also in outdoor use too. So basically you can hang anything you want, like from the flower pots to the, let's say, decorative deer animal head. Here's the example of this deer. As you see, it looks perfect on Alpha because you can't see any connection because it was right behind the pergola itself. Here's the connections. If you need, you can take it whenever you want. Oh, by the way, these details on the ALFA-PERGOLA were connected just with the ball joints. So you can export these pergolas like in many quantity in any country, basically. Yeah. Also, I forgot to mention that you can add any metal material for outdoor use, of course, right on the top of the ALFA-PERGOLA. We don't recommend to use the glass on our pergolas because you have to clean the dirt and dust almost every week because of the Azerbaijani weather. And last but not least, this pergola isn't just modular. It's also easy to install and easy to transport because it's all about the joints. It's like a big metal and wooden origami that you can just come and install in one day for outdoor use. And of course the wood is impregnated, it's also glue laminated, and the metal is galvanized and powder coated. This helps it to be more stable for outdoor use and it prevents from corrosion at least for 50 years. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you. We are trying a new content for YouTube and see you at the next video.